Hi, Wayne White here. I'm painting a watercolor. Hi, Wayne White here again. I'm painting a watercolor, another in my series. This time I'm gonna show you how to paint water with reflections. My scene is a lake in Alaska, and I have some nice colors of the trees that reflect into the lake. First thing I'm going to do, I've already wet the back, so now I'm adding some water to the front. I'm adding water here to keep it from the paper from buckling. Cool blue in there. I don't have to be too careful because I'll be going over the blue sky with the green trees. I'm going to add some yellow ochre down here in the bottom because it warms up where it comes down the horizon. The light color is in now. I'm going to start with these light green trees over there. Nice yellow green. And the light wash gets water's almost white. And then it gets darker. See, it's right too fast for me to scrape off the trunks of those trees, so freaking painting the well, I need a little more color, base color in the lake. Right in here, there's a blue cast in here. Moving my brush sideways. To put every ripple in, you're suggesting where the ripples are. We're going to make them the rocks sort of gray. This is the sunny side of the rock. When it dries, I'll put in the reflection of the rocks. Too much, maybe more, but I'll put in some light. as we're going back in distance, you see less and less of the ripples. All right, well, I think I'm just about finished, at least 95% finished. I can see some other things I can do there. I'm not entirely happy with everything, but I think I got the water right. Give you a good idea how to paint water. In this case, it's a lake. Reflections, not really nice reflections from the surrounding trees. In Alaska, I'm not sure which lake it is, but I'll ask. My son lives there, so I'll ask him where this lake is. He'll know. Till next time, watch again, and thanks for keeping me company.